Everywhere in India, agents are there.
मतलब corruption is everywhere.
अजी गंदा की
I too.
बाबू बाबू बाबू
मतलब एक क्वेश्चन पेपर दिया था उन्होंने, मतलब सेम क्वेश्चन मेरे को भी और बेटा को भी, और अलग अलग बिठाया था.
came suddenly to us and he was saying you are today mehman. It's like
They are
our
not
guests.
giving bill.
No, they are not giving bills.
आठवलं का? Remember. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू वीडियो. तो आज हम जाने वाले हैं FRRO मीन्स जो फॉरेन रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस रहता है वहाँ पे जाने वाले हैं आज. उन्होंने बुलाया वेरिफिकेशन के लिए. एक्चुअली बेटा का वीज़ा ख़त्म हो गया अभी, तो वीज़ा रिन्यूअल के लिए अप्लाई किया था मैंने. तो कल उनका मेल आया कि सब डॉक्यूमेंट लेके आ जाओ वहाँ पे ऑफिस में. तो चलो, लास्ट टाइम मतलब बहुत टाइम लिया था. मैंने नवंबर में अप्लाई किया था और वीज़ा मार्च में आया था. तो इस बार मैंने नवंबर में अप्लाई किया इस बार भी. चलो कब आता है देखेंगे, होपफुली जल्दी आ जाए. और बेटा वैसे रेगुलरली फिर से लेट कर रही है. ऑटो आके खड़ा हुआ है नीचे, ये बोल रहे एक सेकंड, पता नहीं कब रेडी हो जाएगी. वी कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग. लेट्स सी. बेटा, हाउ मच लेट? Your 1 second is not finishing at all.
I'm not doing.
Then I am late, right? Let's go.
अजी गंदा की
I too.
बाबू बाबू बाबू
बेटा की एनर्जी मतलब अलग ही लेवल की रहते हैं.
Yesterday also we went to dance
Zumba class. Still in the.
I'm 1,000 times more energetic. I can learn 1,000 Punjabi.
What do you want to say? Anything?
Last year that we went to visa office, FRRO, for my visa. I think they liked us, but from other side they were asking so many questions. I think because we came from another city.
No, last time they called us in Mumbai also.
Same I'm
They
saying.
gave interview. I don't think this time they will call in Mumbai.
In Mumbai we gave interview or in Pune?
Mumbai.
Huh?
They give one paper,
No,
separate
that's
paper
what I
to each
remember.
other. We have to write down answers. Same
what I
questions are there
remember.
for you and me.
I thought it was in Pune.
No. In Pune, nothing was there.
Uh-huh.
Only document you have to submit.
3 months it took last time.
I hope this time it will come fast.
I hope.
Uh,
My bag.
key of house you didn't do.
I told you. Always annoying me.
Always you are annoying me. So much time you are taking.
Last time, so much time they took. Plus, so last time they were asking so many questions from us, like different interview it was, you can say.
मतलब एक क्वेश्चन पेपर दिया था उन्होंने, मतलब सेम क्वेश्चन मेरे को भी और बेटा को भी, और अलग अलग बिठाया था. बेटा अलग रूम में थी और बेटा अलग रूम में थी और मैं अलग रूम में था, और हमको आंसर करना था. और इंटरव्यू भी अलग अलग था. पहले बेटा को बुलाया, फिर बाद में मेरे को बुलाया, मतलब चेक करने के लिए कि मतलब हमने सही लिखा है या नहीं है, या कुछ गलत है.
But it was fun for us.
It was good.
It was asking different.
But it took so much time. I hope this time it will come fast.
It was so simple. Anyone can understand. So at the end, that guy was saying, "Don't worry, your visa will come fast."
But still it took 3 months. But after interview it came fast. After interview I think in 1 month it came.
No, Baba. After interview, we told them we want to go.
I think 1 or 2 weeks.
1 or 2 days, I think.
No. 1 week or 2 weeks.
Really?
I hope this time it will come fast.
I hope. But I remember interview we did in
Mumbai.
Pune.
No, Baba, in Mumbai. के we went there only we did interview. बेटा की मेमोरी पता नहीं मुझे क्यों भूल जाते हो.
No, I remember we went to
मुझे मत
Mumbai.
भूल जाना. I said don't forget me. Really?
Are, I remember we went to Mumbai.
In Mumbai only we
But
gave
I
interview.
don't know. I was thinking Pune.
No, in Mumbai only we gave.
You sure?
Are what sure? This much I remember. We recorded video also. Before going where? I forgot. Two times we went. Before going Delhi also we went. After coming from Delhi also we went.
No, interview I think it was in Pune.
No, interview was in Mumbai, Papa. She's wrong, but she want to prove she's right.
No, I'm not proving.
Then how many times you are saying? I'm saying no. Now I will remember. Wait. Again she got sad.
पाणी पण लागते पर पेट्रोल
He knows about it, huh?
काय काय
He's
जागा
saying what is less petrol is so cheap there.
तुला भाजी
Yes, where are you from? Huh?
He's asking vegetables are same. Vegetable, food.
Say South Iran is so similar to India.
त्यांचा साऊथ पार्ट आहे ना इराणचा पूर्ण भारतासारखा आहे पूर्ण. पहिल्याच्या काळामध्ये इथं बिझनेस होत होता भारताकडूनही. आता बंद झालं तेवढं नाही. जास्त नॉनव्हेज खातात. हां जास्त नॉनव्हेज खातात ते.
Say Iran is eaten of non-veg.
कोंडव्याला हा कोंडवा NIB शिकायला आलेले.
How you know?
कसं माहिती आहे मला तुम्हाला एवढं कसं माहिती
In past so many Iranians
घ्यायचे होते नान नानचं एक हॉटेल आहे तिथं NIB बसले ते नान घेतलं मटण घेतलं मटणाची भाजी घेतली आणि ते सूप प्यायला घेऊन आले गाडीत म्हणे प्या कशाचं दुकानाचं कशाचं बाबा सूप प्या म्हणलं. Once he got some Iranians in auto, they bought mutton, naan and everything. Soup also they bought and they were giving him also. Because he's vegetarian, he don't know na.
Oh. So guys, we just came near FRRO, a foreign register office, no?
Registration office.
So
How fast he is going?
nonsense. So I am so hungry. Here is
We
the
didn't do
office.
breakfast.
Here is the office, but I want to eat something. Then I want to go.
There. This one is the school.
Oh, sorry.
School and church. I
See,
think.
my mind is not even working. I am so hungry.
I am also. In morning I was thinking to eat apple and banana, but I don't know what to say now.
It
I
became
forgot.
so late.
Uh,
We forgot everything. Now I feel so hungry. First, I want to see if nearby anything is there. Actually, one shop was there, but so dirty.
It of cleanliness person nahi aaye.
She was touching her hair, same thing, same hand she was putting in food. So I was like, I don't want to eat this one. What it was? Vada pass. What was the name of another one? Vada sambar?
No, mendu vada.
No, that's circle.
Which one?
One hole is in
Same thing I'm saying na mendu vada.
Mendora.
Mendu vada only I think they say. I also
So dirty it was, that shop. So let's see if any fruits also we find here. It's so good. So guys, dekho how we found here.
we saw, but they are not accessible.
So nonsense they were. So we found here finally. Irani cafe. Let's see, maybe some Iranians are here because it's nearby FRRO. I feel some people are Iranians. Some Iranians also come here. Fast, let's eat something and let's go.
Same menu card I feel.
Ah,
Big fast.
I don't know, something, let's say, something which is not like so much.
Chai and bun must I.
They don't have omelette, veg omelette. that also is good. See here they have egg white, chicken, omelette, cheese omelette.
Cheese it is. You want to eat?
Means something, let's ask them, which is veg.
Veg omelette mostly they made from paneer. I feel. Paneer you cannot eat.
With soya also, I think.
I don't think here they. So we will ask.
Let's ask. So guys, we just came here to eat breakfast.
But they don't have a lot of options.
I wanted veg omelette, but they don't have.
No,
So-
they have omelette, but he said made from besan.
Paneer and besan. I
Something
can
like this he was saying.
Samosa we ordered and
Now we ordered samosa, एक चाय और एक बन मस्का. 12 बजे बुलाया उन्होंने, अभी 11:30 हो गए, जाना है जल्दी. At 12 they called
No, I
us. Now it's
understand.
11:30.
हाँ,
मतलब बहुत ढूंढ
No,
रहे थे हम,
don't
कुछ
be-
भी नहीं मिल रहा था.
don't be this much
I know.
fast.
I'm saying we are searching, we are not finding anything.
So one restaurant we found there, so
So dirty.
so much. Suddenly we found here, so I was
It's
like,
our luck.
thank God.
Thank you.
Thank you.
गाइस ये है हमारा बन मस्का, चाय और 2 समोसा.
Let's take one video from me.
Just ओके. सो गाइस अभी हमने ईरानी चाय और बन मसा खाया. जो ओनर थे यहाँ के वो आए यहाँ पे और वो बोले कि वेलकम टू और ईरानी कैफ़े, और वो पैसे भी नहीं ले रहे अभी. तो चलो अब देखते क्या होगा. वो हमें जानते थे, शायद इंस्टाग्राम यूट्यूब पे देखा होगा हमें कहीं पे, तो इसकी वजह से अच्छी फीलिंग आई. चलो देखते हैं अभी.
I don't know, that guy, that Iranian guy, he was so warm.
हाँ, तो ओनर अब कैफ़े आए थे.
He came suddenly to us and he was saying you are today mehman. It's like
They are
our
not
guest.
giving bill.
No, they are not giving bills. We will talk about it outside. Now stop.
No, we'll record not to him also.
No, first ask him. Maybe
Alright.
he's not.
Okay.
Oh, guys, Iranians are this much warm, and
Actually, that guy who said कि owner of this
I got so good
restaurant,
vibe from him.
owner of restaurant, he said कि you are mehman.
I don't
will not
know
take
why.
money from you.
Means
And he went. I'm
Ah.
asking waiter or that someone who was sitting on desk also. They are not giving bill.
And I don't know, he understood, means he has our page or he just understood that I'm Iranian. I don't know.
He said na he watch our video.
Huh?
No, he said na.
Really?
I don't know where Instagram or YouTube. But he
Oh, so that's why. Now this guy was saying,
watched.
I told him that you are Iranian or Indian. Then he said, I am Iranian. I was like, you don't even look like Iranian. Because his Hindi was so good, so good. You saw na? Means totally.
Face also was like Indian.
Face
only.
also Indian. So I was like, how possible? Then he said, I was born in India. His family shifted to India. And he was saying, I asked him, so you're Parsi? Then he was saying, no, I'm like from Yazd, from some one city of Iran is called Yazd. So from there also some people migrated to India, yes. So he was saying that, no, I came from Yazd, my family came, and I was born here. But so interesting, no? That he was born here, but his family are Iranian. But anyways, I was so happy, so
good.
much. I wanted to see that guy and talk
We
to
wanted to
him.
record from him, but he went.
Yes. Let's see, maybe next time.
If you call again.
From now on, whenever we come here near FRRO, definitely we will come here.
हाँ मतलब हमें पता नहीं था.
We
वैसे ही
didn't
घूम
know.
रहे थे कुछ खाने के लिए, तो अचानक से वो सामने दिखा.
See, today our destiny was not to eat from these places and to come here and find this place. Really. Sometimes I feel like everything is, how to say, means everything is planned. Our destiny. No?
That's how you have to go.
I'm saying everything is planned. Today, our destiny was like this. That we should have come here. Now my eyes are
Open.
able to
Upside down.
my eyes are able to see. But good people are everywhere.
What is so
And you
bad?
know one
You are
thing-
not giving bill.
One thing I
But
understood.
why I didn't thought? I should have calculate and pay. So bad. I didn't thought that time.
My mind also.
It's okay next time or
Next
maybe
time.
after FRR will go again and we'll buy
Ah.
something, we'll pay.
Yes.
Alright.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's
I think
go.
inside I don't know if they allow recording or no.
One thing I wanted to say this also. I will say then let's go. I feel
Oh.
whatever energy and feeling we have from inside, see here, from outside also same things will happen. Means like some days you are like so down, so low. Bad things also will happen. But some days you are so energetic, you have so much love, and they say always good
Good
things
things
also,
will
good
also.
people also will come to you. Chalo guys, bye bye.
Chalo guys. तो गाइस हम जितनी भी बार FRO में आए हैं ना उतनी बार इनसे हमने फूट लिए है आते समय नहीं थे अभी आए हैं शायद
Last time we came here, this guy was so good. He was giving discount. He was saying whenever you come here, come and see me. Let's see, he remembers us or not.
अरे I don't think he remember. Oh, he don't have that much in this time. कशात भैया बोर आठवलं का You remember?
Long time.
बहुत दिन से आए
हाँ.
बहुत दिन.
ये बहुत मीठा है खाओ
नाही, thank you.
खाओ ना बहुत मीठा आहे.
हे सांगी नाही नाही त्या डॉक्टरनं खाऊ नको म्हणले आंबट
आंबट नाही लय गोड आहे तुम्ही खाऊ ना डॉक्टराचं काय ऐकता आणि एलर्जी येते उलट
इज नॉट लिसनिंग
सीताफळ.
सीताफळ नाही ते का
फक्त मुलाकडे आहे का
ओके he'll check he's saying चालतंय थँक्यू
Thank you. खूप छान आहे.
ते मला
छान
तुम्हाला
राहायला जपत येतं.
ओळखता का नाही की म्हणलं
नाही,
तुम्ही
असं कसं राहणार? पण लय दिसत ना आले
हा आता विजाचं काम होतं नाही तर ऑफिस मध्ये
हा.
त्याच्यामुळं जाताना नव्हतं तुम्ही
आता आलो
हा तेच म्हणलं
तुम्ही दररोज
हा
या इकडे.
हा
My Marathi is like. Oh, this one has
सीताफळ आहे का रे
how many? How we should wait?
8-10
हे कसं बनतं ते
ते शिंगाडा म्हणते सर
म्हणजे कसं खात्यात बरं याला काय उकळून खात्यात का
काय लोक कच्चे बी खात्यात काय बॉईल बी करतात बटाट्यासारखं उकडायचं
लाईक पोटॅटो यू टू बॉईल अँड इट गोड असतंय का
नाही नाही रताळ्यासारखं असं पण लय पौष्टिक
रताळ
असतं. लय भारी
दिस वन आर आस्किंग शिंगोडे
हा.
सीताफळ he has?
सीताफळ हिज सन इज टेकिंग
Oh.
विदाउट
सीताफळ आहे,
सीता
चोकरे बस, बस. जाऊ.
कशा सीताफळ
दीडशेला किलो
लय महाग सांगाला भया
वस्तूच आहे ते मग आता हे खारं बिरं किलो नाही
150
151 kg
Baya, that's
नो बाबा 80 रुपीज kg वी आर बाइंग नियर हाऊस
same I'm saying. Sat rupees. Sat means 60. Like
60 सोलेस
what is 80?
80
Baya 80 द्या.
नाही किती आहे फक्त 1 किलो बिकॉज वहाँ पे हमारे घर के पास है ये
नाही नाही
100 रुपये को 1.25 किलो मतलब 100 रुपयाला 1.25 किलो भेटतात ते.
लय quality आहे.
हां.
ते नका
नाही
घेऊ.
सेम चांगलीच क्वालिटीचे आहे ते
आम्ही सगळे सेमच असतं
आता मोसंबी उभी घ्यायला तुम्ही लय संत्र आला म्हणून
ठीक आहे जास्त
हां, चालतंय
पोरगं नाही देत. ते आमचे माल आहे ते
नाही नाही, तिथले पण चांगलेच आहे ते आता ते खूपच
ते नाही देत तर काय करायचं
text नाही, हां. हे, हे.
अजून काय देऊ?
नाही नाही तेवढं
Baya नारियल कितना? मलाई वाला है क्या? दोन द्या. दोन? हाँ?
हाँ यही पे मले वाले देना
so kharab. Only 1-2 sentence I know.
No, it's good.
Ask him not so much thick.
पातळ असावं का बाई मले पातळ असावं पातळ जास्त असं नेक्स्ट वाला थोडं पातळ असावं तुझ्या
ठीक आहे.
दिस वन आय थिंक इज ओके नेक्स्ट वन आय टोल्ड हिम
So many days. Thank you.
इट्स गुड
So many days. Drink.
I'll drink na from him another one. 50 rupees. It's good. Garvanagar is 70 or 80 rupees. Here is for 50 rupees. Drink I'll take another one.
Bhagwan is so tired now.
I don't know because I have cough and sardi also little bit. I don't know why. Also now we are going RTO. मतलब RTO जा रहे हैं अभी. बेटा के लिए ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस के लिए पूछना है अभी. हमारे बस बेटा का इंटरनेशनल ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है लेकिन इंडियन ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस निकालने के लिए क्या क्या लगता है ये पूछने वाले अभी जाके और मेरा भी ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस वहाँ पे ही है अभी भी.
And now we went to take some print of some of our documents for my visa. Then suddenly I saw that woman is going. Suddenly I catched and we gave our documents. Otherwise I don't know what would happen
maybe
again.
someone will take there.
Or maybe again they will say come another day.
चलो अब जाके आरटीओ में देख पूछने वाला हूँ बेटा के ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस के लिए कैसे मतलब क्या प्रोसेस है. अब मेरे पास डिजिटल कॉपी है लेकिन जो प्रिंट रहता है ना जो हार्ड कॉपी और जब आया था पोस्ट ऑफिस तब मैं घर पे नहीं था मैं ईरान में था वापस चला गया होगा वहाँ पे. देखो अगर मिला तो अच्छा नहीं मिला तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. डिजिटल भी चल रहा है अभी आजकल तो. चलो फिर बाय.
You came here for test of driving.
No, here for the learning lesson test.
Learning means?
It's like on computer it was. I have to.
Ha.
Give me your hand.
Oh. Oh my God.
Let him go.
So much traffic everywhere. And how many people? Here, no? So all these people came for driving?
Some for driving license, some for if someone lost their driving license.
Oh. So many people. You know what I remember? You know by coming here what I remember? In Latur we went for court marriage. Little bit it was similar like here. No?
Government office it was, no?
You remember? Time is going so fast. So much.
So fast.
It was like yesterday. We were a little bit tensioned. Not little bit, maybe lot. So marriage will be done.
You will record video. Really?
And now, after few days, after 3 days is our anniversary, second anniversary. It's like joke.
That's it. You have to go.
Suddenly, suddenly we will do one blink and it's like 10 years
10
of
years.
anniversary. Day by day we are becoming old. Everywhere in India, agents are there.
मतलब corruption is everywhere.
For everywhere.
One guy was saying to us, what happened, what you want? I said ki she want driving license. Indian driving license. He said 8,000 give, I will give all, like without exam, nothing you have to do.
Really?
My driving license I forgot.
What?
My driving license I took.
Oh. Really you are saying?
He was like, give me 8,000, I will give learning license and driving license, everything without doing anything.
Maybe some people do like
They
this.
do. Agent are for that only.
Oh. I
Then
think in
I
India,
went inside and I asked. She said,
in India for everything.
fill
If you
online
give money-
application form,
Huh.
then come. So I will fill online, then let's see.
No, I'm saying in India, if you give money for everything, your problem will be solved.
So what happened with you?
In India, everywhere you go, they're like, yes.
मतलब एजेंट बोल रहे थे क्या चाहिए मेरा ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस मिल गया 50 रुपये पे करने पड़े क्योंकि मैं नहीं था ना वहाँ पे घर पे तो 50 रुपये मैंने पे कर दिया और मेरा ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस मिल गया 50 रुपीज़ बेटा के लिए मैंने पूछा तो वो बोल रहे कि ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन कर देना अरे नॉन वेज फ्रॉम सम शॉप सो बेटा के लिए उन्होंने बोला कि ऑनलाइन ही अप्लाई करना है सो अगर टेस्ट देनी है तो बता देंगे ऑनलाइन ही अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव मीन्स if they want you to give test maybe they will mention in application or let's see but first thing is we have to fill application online we have to fill all details and this thing then you will understand now where should you go Bitul?
I'm so hungry.
Now we'll go and eat something okay
So अभी मैं नींबू सोडा पीले
विलेज मराठी
और रेस्टोरेंट जा रही है
घर ही जा रहे हैं अभी
हाँ,
इसके पास एक रेस्टोरेंट वहीं पे खाएंगे अभी
My Hindi is so خراب. At least a little bit Marathi I understand.
my Hindi also is not that good
Whatever it is. Marathi if I understand little bit I can guess what people are saying.
they are saying speak something in Marathi the
I
people
said-
in that RTO
मी मराठी थोडासा येते.
मला मला मराठी
मला?
थोडासा येते.
No, in FRR I said. Then that woman said, Marathi येते का? Then I said, Because I said like that, so she said, येते का? I said,